Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marimo Gallants 1, Mdlalo Betway Premiership, match day 21 for Mamelodi Sundowns, winning their 15th game of the Betway Premiership, going now to 50 points, 2 points above second place Orlando Pirates. Junior, besibukele swabeni umdlalo mfethu kunjani?
Yeah, Shane Maprada kunjani?
I'm okay, my man.
Ngibulisa uJustice Nqosikatso. Benedict Sovilakazi. Ngibulisa ubobuzini. Kuleko Maprada. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
Uthe ngathi uthi ubulisa uJustice Nqosikatso.
Ngithi Nqosikatso.
Oh, ngimoto uJustice Nqosikatso.
Ngibulisa uJustice, ngibulisa iNqosikatso. Hey, uJustice. Yeah, no, I love it. They want the best squad around the country. Yeah, they've got the best squad, not the best starting 11. Manga pega le game by winning from the bench. As starting a game, Marimo Gallants, they've tried, they make it difficult for Mamelodi Sundowns. These guys, they came to the game knowing good, okay, sharp. Pound to pound, we can't match these guys. They were playing sort of, it was more of a 3-6-1, or can say 4-5-1, or can say 6-3-1. I'll put it that way, because every man behind the ball, they were asking their wing forward to come back, which is Mabuza, Lomchitugnene. They come all the way to come and defend. And they make it very difficult to Sundowns to play, especially on my pockets in the middle. Bavalele pace in the middle. Very, very difficult game for Sundowns. Well done with Batuli goal. It's an own goal. You understand? Shanti Antia. Good ball from, I think, this guy Alende. In swinger. I think the ball will fame. Mchita ulbambing a power de la ball and going to the Ipalin the Marimo Gallants on goal. And well done, good equalizer. I think from them. A penalty. Unfortunate from Nuno. Resinho, I think going to starting 11. I don't mind starting 11 actually ngaso Mikel Cardoso. But you are fighting against one of the best team in the country, which is the one of the best talented team in the country, which is Orlando Pirates. You needed these points. Bekumele adlale defensive midfield. Irrespective to Oba Sorbani, Mkhulisi, best foot today, perfect is Mkhulisi. Team Abidale grand, not to say one of the best performance for Sundowns, but Team Abidale grand, because compliment to Pasatins and Zogma individual, they did very well. I mean, after they get the penalty, Marimo Gallants, Ngobaba pushing the Marumo after conceding, they had to move like the back now, pushing the numbers there, pressing the Sundowns. And then they got the goal after penalty. After that, they relaxed, they went back to the way back a Koni game. Now Sundowns make it very difficult. There was no movement between Resinho and Nuno. Nuno not one of the best game. Ngiyamthanda Nuno uyalazipol. Ngiyamthanda because of his span. He knows football. But not one of the best game from Nuno. I think the penalty psychological ukuthi uResinho to hit the ball shaya isandla. Imlimazile, and also not much of a movement from Usales. You understand, because Usales manga check nje first half. Also omunye umuntu ongabaganga Maprada. Matthews. Ayakabanikanga next sengikhuluma nje ngamatheka wabo first half, not much of a creativity, not bengana movement enough, so badlala ngama pocket, but there was no movement from these guys with Sundowns. And Marimo Gallants beiti thank you, because they were sitting, I think about 6 at the back, and including a striker coming back ngoba a striker sabo, it was a false 9, this guy undaba ithethi Ndlondlo. Uspanile namhlanje Mjita, you come and defend, and then ubabambela ibhola uyabacabangela these guys baphuma ngawe, umele shoot as well. They need you as a striker, like mabadlala ama long ball, they need to find you, okanye bashaye 1-2 mele bashaye ngawe. Second half, I think coach wins ama changes. One, wenza kahle ukuthi abe ne structure in the middle field, abuyele ku back four as well, ngoba uqale okay ufaka umkwena and then wadlala nga 3 at the back. I think lapana beka risk. It was a risk because these guys, they believe now we can get the goal. You understand? Kunene, I think angazi umfana ngihlale ngisho, labafana laba they need to learn. I-dribbling akusukwenza so. To dribble is to eliminate someone. Anginankinga to do this when we lead about 11. But nakhona mele si-emphasize to South African players. These Messi, Neymar and stuff, when they dribble, they drop a shoulder and then pass you, done. Create something out of nothing in order for us to get a goal. Now, Luzipola, La Rakata. Yes, I'm a fans, they will never. I don't think they will come and say sorry for, but I go coach these fans and say sorry for you. Leandro Ienza are going to play for this location football. But here, unfortunately, they're playing for 15 million. Yes, football, man, let's enjoy. You need to enjoy. It's a game of spending. But umfana ngali Rakata, ungena phakathi, wesiphathu, shaya Rakata ungena phakathi udusha. Uliya kuyika futhi. Bakupressa, lwela la. Labantu lwela kibo baningconde enkulu kakhulu. They went direct. There was movement from Sundowns. I think it was a 5 against 3. Lela ball, I mean, Usalis began to pass wide. Because Begino was on the left hand side, on the right hand side, if not mistaken, there was someone on the right hand. I forget who to ban. And then line middle, Begino Mshishi, not Mshishi, there was Tebuchomkoya. Good, I think they're polar there. Shy pass and Kunze pass there. So I tell you, Mina be white now. Honestly, I need to be honest. I need to be realistic. Lamfana Udalila, Ngapegang to Zoldala. And then good first touch from Mutebza. Nakona u receive a kitchen Mutebza. And then you had to turn quick up again. And then all Chopo Kadela Pola as a goal. A very important player. For me, it's a man of the match. Only minutes, 45 minutes man of the match. It happens. We are getting a second half man of the match. Avant Batalukim. Very influential Utebza. Upegi goal number 2. Upegi Nali, we are connecting a corner. Well done, Salim, we change game. I think Melebam Dalis according to his strengths. Stay wide on the left. If you can't, if it's not on, can't take somebody on and Upumene Paul or I'll lose this guy. Take somebody on if it's not only just a square pass. And then you will get, look at just Vusinklogo. Vusinklogo, and then his teammate. Well done. I think was still Umfana. Zomshaliza and we changed the game. Him and Debza, they changed the game. Also, Mshishimangen. I think he changed the complexion of the game. Banamani Scott is strong, these guys. Manga Cheku Pasatina our place. Did played very well. Tunyelwa, unfortunately, did very well. The guy, we are Puma, but Udlalegam Nandi, I'm fine. Johannes, he played very well. I need to be honest as well. And only Resignong nature, lazy man, a bit lazy. I want to understand good why is ending the place, especially sometimes going good Bazabam land and I'm cheating about coolies and stuff. I'm suffering to understand good why. West Namsha Jalif rule, Bagniga, it's more of number 10-8. You can rove Lapa, score or you assist, you go behind the defense. But good performance, I think, for Santo, because Aksana came easy. Shane Marumo Kalans, they tried about Edgar Manak. I think coaching and keep Edgar angas good best and coach. It's surprising with the keep Edgar because now they will lose the second number being good the whole line in the midfield because they got created a structure with Sundowns in a break. How do you king play as well?
There was a hole in the middle.
Edgar.
Then there was Ubans on the bench. There was Mpamaniso on the bench. When you saw the lineup here, Marumo Kalans, and saw these two influential players started off the bench, they were sitting on the bench. Yeah, ngicela ntoni ukuthi ngegame namhlanje ukuthi ucoach iapproach yakhe kumdlalo namhlanje.
Yeah, Mthiyane yasekaSlav futhi yani yazi. Ongicakile untwana. Mina thisho ukuthi team ofake lineup or chairman direct. No Shane. It's in straight kuye. Umthiyane untwana. Bekumele adlale, I think. Bekumele amiyeke this guy Edgar Manaka. Also, put this guy on the bench. Low bekahleli bench inu. Yes, Mpamaniso supposed to play as well. Just put experienced players in this game. And lentwana lezi mhlambo ngaza ngazo second. Of course, mama check this guy bekahameka him, ngikhuluma nje him alone. Edgar Manaka he was doing it a teacher because sometimes it's dangerous in the middle. They play here in the midfield. Allende, there's a lot of movement from Allende. So if you go with Allende where now Edgar. And then who's behind you Allende? There's Nuno there behind Nuno. There's behind Futu Kona Usale. So Uzobanicha, who you gonna defend? So well done to Sundowns. I think well deserved. I think we win. But you could tell with some of our decision, especially among Pekwa, Bumtunyelwa, and this guy. Pasatin, but I not a bad performance. I think Banis Scott is strong, and Sundowns is stronger, Shane, and managing the game. Well done towards the game, Yopela, to manage the game.
Now, the victory, it took for Mamelodi Sundowns with 9 games to go.
ngitshelile ngathi is done.
Yeah, I know you said it's done, but I'm saying if Victor namhlanje ithatha ukuthini for Sundowns with 9 games to go.
Angithi mina njengoba ngisho, when you have a game in hand, ungayiwini, izonika i-courage Orlando Pirates. So for them winning this, especially a heavy score, mangithi heavy score 3 goals. Now Pirates, even if they go equal, amagoli abalekile phela. And the Pirates need to win the game eksasa. Going forward, the game eksasa they lose.
Yeah,
Both of
Sunday.
them, not only Pirates,
Yeah.
including Sundowns. We understand. Now what do you agasana this thing of experiment or favoritism? You need to play proper players, and then they need to win. And it's very difficult shit now. Ngoba psychological siyasha. These guys bebane came in and they won. And look yakenina benama game equal nabo. Manje they leading at 2 points. Yabo, and it's going to be difficult because these guys they know how to win games and njoba ngisho credit to bring a surprise. Ngibonile kancane when I read Umchita and Umchita is involved now in terms of you can tell the philosophy of the team. How they play in faith, right? Mina convinced na indlela lokudlala. Just in kumele bayilungise ku downs. You can't yabona when you circulate the ball angina problem to heavy game management. Don't play in front of ipali to be say body language yabo Rowan Williams number, it's like taking an opponent light. Any mistake it's a goal. Balchata lila bola lapho kudila it's a goal. I don't have a problem once or twice, but unnecessary sometimes to bring Ebola backwards as a center. Yes, it's how they play. Yeah. You can play defender than going to Ronan Williams and then you move it again. Or when you circulate the body in the middle, or you have an opponent. You understand? Because you know dangerous in front of Ipadlino. You go by Chive Kakulu. Ngoba nyaz bafuna the spaces behind the opponent. But to tell them opponent that they cover each other, that they are ready, you'll be punished. But well deserved. No language is dangerous shit.
Thank you so much, Junior. Besibukele sobabini ke lo mdlalo we Sundowns and Marimo Gallants at Loftus Stadium ngolwesibini ezinsukwini. Yeah, isizini yaphela. 9 games left. Sundowns they're playing their 21st game of the season. Now they lead Orlando Pirates by 2 points, 50 points. Mamelodi Sundowns. Now their next game will be after FIFA break. Next Betway Premiership game here Mamelodi Sundowns bazodlala on the 7th. Zonke teams bazodlala kazibuyayo, but on Sunday there is a Betway, not on Sunday, on Saturday Kaizer Chiefs badlala eMagesi Moses Mabhida Stadium. Then on Sunday there's another Betway Premiership game eMbombela Stadium. TS Galaxy zabisamkela iOrlando Pirates ngo 3:30. Kaizer Chiefs ngo Saturday ngo 6 o'clock. But namhlanje Loftus Stadium it's Sundowns 3 Marimo Gallants 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.